Hello guys. Umkosi Oljuicy here. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Hi guys. Did you even see Pastor November ukuthi wendani? Nimbonile guys. Ay umfundisi uyathanda ukudisplaya shem uyathanda. So umfundisi Pastor November avela wathi i-vibrate wabamba i-vibrator ngesandla wathatha liswiri dlokoloting uyadlokolota. You can see on the video guys. I'm embarrassed guys. A whole pastor with a vibrator abe live. Hi bo man of God. Hi, what are you doing? Yendani nceko. Hi bo guys. Is God trying to expose fake pastors? No, we need to look at these things, guys. I think you can never play with the name of God. You'll go crazy, Tobo. Look at him. So ashamed. Hi. Please, guys, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for many more videos to come. Fake pastors are being exposed this year, 2025. Bye, Mogal.